Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Brother MFC-T780DW printer step by step, right from unboxing to Wi-Fi connection and first print. This setup is simple, and by the end of the video, your printer will be fully ready to use. Let's get started. Step 1. First, carefully unbox the printer. Inside the box, you'll find printer, power cord, starter ink bottles, quick setup guide. Now, remove all protective tapes, plastic films, and packing materials from inside and outside the printer. Keep the box and packing materials safe in case you need them later. Step 2. Now, pull out the paper tray from the front. Adjust the paper guides. Load plain letter or A4 size paper. Make sure the paper stack is flat. Slide the tray back into the printer. This completes paper loading. Step 3. Now, connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into a wall socket. The printer will turn on automatically. If the screen asks you to select language, select country, just follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. On the printer screen, you'll see setup options. You have two choices. 1. Set up using mobile app or computer, recommended. 2. Set up from the printer control panel. For this video, we'll continue with setup from the printer screen, so select Setup from Machine and confirm. Step 5. Now it's time to fill the ink. Open the ink tank cover. Open one ink tank at a time. Take the matching color ink bottle, remove the bottle cap, insert the bottle into the correct tank. The ink will start filling automatically. If ink flows slowly, gently remove and reinsert the bottle. Once filled, remove the bottle carefully. Close the ink tank cap. Repeat for all colors. Close the ink tank cover. Step 6. After filling ink, the printer will start initial ink system cleaning. This process may take a few minutes. Do not turn off the printer during this step. Just follow the instructions on the LCD screen. Step 7. Now the printer will ask you to set date, time. Use the arrow buttons to select numbers and press OK to confirm. This step is important for fax and logs. Step 8. If the firmware update screen appears, choose whether you want automatic updates. Follow the on-screen instructions. You can change this setting later if needed. Step 9. Once cleaning is complete, the printer will print a print quality check sheet. Press Start. The test page will print. Select the image that best matches the print. If quality is not good, the printer will perform cleaning again. Step 10. Now the printer will ask for print alignment. Print the alignment sheet. Place it face down on the scanner glass. Make sure the black circle is in the top left corner. Follow the instructions on the LCD. After alignment, remove the sheet. Step 11. Now let's connect the printer to Wi-Fi. Press the Wi-Fi button. Select Find Network. Choose your Wi-Fi name. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected, the screen will show Connected. Step 12. To print from your computer or phone, go to setup.brother.com. Download and install the software. Make sure your device and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete setup. Setup complete. That's it. Your Brother MFC-T780DW printer is now ready to print, scan, copy, and fax. If you face any issues during setup or need technical assistance, don't worry. Contact support. Our support team will be happy to help you. If this video helped you, please like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.